video. In this video we are going to create a spin box. Let's get started. First let me create a method create spin self dot and spin box. Okay, from okay 0 to 10. Okay, this is the lower value and this is the upper value. Okay, basically spin box is an alternative to the entry widgets. Okay, it provides range of values to the users out of which user can select on. I will show you. Okay, self dot spin dot one dot back. Okay, if I call the method, okay, create spin. Okay, now you can see this is our spin box. Okay, if I click this, then our value is increased and it stop at upper value, which is 10. Okay, now let's customize it. We can keep the background color to the red and then set the border pixel. Okay, 7 and type of the border. Okay, if I see, now you can see also we can set the width. Okay, 60. You can see again, now you can see its width is increased to 60 pixel. Okay, let's get the value of the spin box. To do this we have to create a variable. Okay, let's take the integer value. Okay, int pad is defined within a Tkinter. Okay, self dot bad. Okay, and I have to create the button here. Self dot okay. Okay, click dot back. Okay, and let's create another method to get the value. Self dot get value and okay, self dot add dot get. Okay, and okay, I created this label. Okay, next equal to f string. Okay, you select self dot okay, and give the background color to green. And here's balance 40. So 40 and okay. Okay, here is the hit dot back. Okay, and where is the button? Okay, self dot get value and okay, now if I increase this to 8 and click it here, now you can see you select it. Okay, you can reset the value of the spin box as soon as you click the button. Okay, maybe self dot spin one dot delete from 0. Okay, if I do this and see, Okay, now if I use this value, okay, now you can see its value is reset. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. That's all for the video.